Dude, I can't with these little all these little animals like playing games on my stream. I'm like, why? There's so many. They're so cute. And then I realized I made them. Okay, I'm sorry. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome back. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make a listing on Etsy, or how I structure my listing on Etsy for an animated product like my little animated frog gift tuber. I don't even know.
Hi, how are you?
Wait, I need to get rid of these guys. Alright, I'm sorry, friends. Okay, but yeah, just like this frog, how I set it up, what I do for it, what I do to list it, coming right up. Alright, first things first, we're gonna want to open up our best friend Photoshop. This is a commission that I was working on. Alright, so Etsy's product image size is 800 by 1000 pixels with 800 tall and 1000 wide. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to go and make a really fancy schmancy looking thumbnail thingy for your product. Like the first thing you see, especially because this is a digital product, so you gotta make it all online. We got our best friend Canva that we can go work with. I personally will be doing this in Photoshop. Okay, so I basically already have a template made that looks something like this. So basically what you just wanted to say is what it is. So animated Twitch emote. I'm gonna have to change the text because it's not a Twitch emote. This is like a animated GIF. It's not an emote. You want to put the resolution or the size, and then, you know, some things that lead to you, your Instagram or your Twitch or your social media handles. I'm gonna walk you through how to go and make one of these template thingies in Canva. So we're gonna want to create a design. We're gonna want to create a custom size, and then knowing that the width is 1000 and the height is 800, I like to double these numbers just for a higher resolution so it looks better. Otherwise it'll be too small and pixely. So we're gonna hit create new design, and here is our base template. What you could do is just kind of scroll through Etsy to get an idea as to how you should go and structure your templates. What I really recommend is, oh, why there's so many booty emotes. What I really recommend is just a very clear and easy way to go and see your emotes, and easy to read the text. Hey, look, this is mine. It's a bestseller. It's okay. Our new frog gift thingy might be a bestseller too. I'm not gonna go critique anybody's things here, but you know, like, I really like the way this person made their templates. It's very easy to see the emotes, text very easy to read. That's basically what we're focusing on. So I like using contrasting colors. So since the frog is green, a color contrast to green is red, but that's gonna be kind of ugly. So maybe I might pick like a different color. I really like using blues. I'm just personally really drawn to blues. Also, there are also pre-made templates in Canva that you can kind of just yoink, you know? This looks real nice. Wow. I really like these types of like lo-fi, that's not what I'm looking for. This like retro look to it. So I think I might take this and run with it. I just really love the customization of it though. We're gonna go delete any elements that we don't need. I don't need this text. Maybe I'll leave that one on for now. Let me see. Let me change the background color to a more like tealish blue. Normally the similar blue color that I use. Let me pick the same one actually. All right. Let me see here. Let me go and just mess around with this a little bit. I like the little stars here. We're just gonna cut them off to the side. I don't need any animations because it won't show up. And we can title this like animated stream GIF. We're gonna want to make the text way bigger so that you can read it way better. Because you want to make sure that you can read everything from far away. All right, very pog, and we're just gonna delete this real quick. All right, there we go. I managed to make the background box thing white. I don't know why it's not letting me make it bigger though. Whatever, we'll just find another rectangle. Okay. All right, I just simply added another rectangle. I just gave up. Okay, we're gonna make this white. And here we can just put our twitch.tv/catliente. And then if we just copy this real fast, you know, copy, paste, we can add the dimensions. And it should be a 1600 by 2000. All right, here we go. Here we have a little template made in Canva for free. I love Canva, please sponsor me. But the key elements you want to focus on: big, easy to read title, color contrast. You don't want to add too much clutter to the background that makes it hard to see your beautiful artwork. And you want to add your promo links. What is your Twitch? And then, oh, you can't see because my camera's blocking it, but the dimensions. And then we're gonna want to download it, and just download it as a PNG. So you want to download it as a PNG, and you want to download it as an MP4 or a GIF. Reason being, when you're uploading files to Etsy, you can add a video file, but sometimes there's a size limit, and I often hit the size limit, so a GIF might be the better option. One thing too is you want to add a watermark I like adding a watermark just so people can't steal my art. I have a watermark for myself, but what you could do is you could literally just get a text and let me go like, I don't know. I like this font. This font's really cute. Let me delete the bottom portion of it right here. Welcome little one. I'm gonna change it to my name, Catliente. We're just gonna write it a couple times. Catliente, Catliente, Catliente. And I'm gonna go make this white and then put it on top of your animation. If you're being a little bit cheeky, you can try to like turn it a little bit so it's at an angle or something like that. You want to highlight all of the text here. Then right here in this like transparency, you want to slide that down a little bit to where it's at a level you're comfortable with. Let me go make it a little bit more apparent. So that way somebody can't steal your artwork because there is a watermark over it and it's evidently watermarked, but you can still see the art. So we're just gonna go and download it as an MP4 and download it as a PNG. All right, now you're gonna want to go and sign into your Etsy shop, and then you're gonna wanna click this shop manager. So then we're gonna go under listings, and then up here, we're gonna want to click add listing. So under add photo, you're gonna click this and find the photo you just downloaded from Canva. And then under add video, we're gonna wanna click this and then find the video that you downloaded off Canva. All right, and in the title, we wanna add a lot of keywords. Add as much keywords as possible because it will make your listing come up more in searches. So we're gonna do like Hawaii animated frog GIF, Twitch, Discord, PNG, tuber, VTuber, emo at the very end. It's not an emote. I mean, if you read it literally is animated, you can if you want to, but it's not meant to be an emote anyways. 77 more keywords. Let me think of some more. All right, this is as much as I could come up with anyways. Okay, so about this listing, who made it? Basically answer these questions as you would. What is it? A finished product? When did you make it? Recently. Category, I just put digital. Like this one, digital and digital art collectibles, drawing, illustration, digital. And then you can choose a primary color and select up to 3 subjects. You know, you want to fill these out so that people can find your searches, your listing better. So it's an animal, video game, room. Yeah, this is not applicable, so I don't fill that one out. Orientation, none of these. Choose unit, not applicable. Holiday, occasion, not applicable. Renewal options, automatic, just so that you can get that passive income coming. It's less work for you if it's just an automatic renewal. Please take into account though, if you are doing the automatic renewal, they do charge 20 cents every time the listing is relisted. This is a digital product and we want to give a little bit of a description. So in the description, you just kind of want to give a blurb as to what it is. What I like to add is the file. It will be like, what is the file type? And if you do have it as an instant download, let people know. That's a key point. And then I also like to give a little bit of a blurb as to how people can implement the product. So how they can add it to their stream. So I give my little blurb as to how people can go and implement it. And then my last policy is that I don't accept refunds almost ever because these are digital products. So the moment you purchase it, you can download it. So on Etsy, you can see whether somebody actually downloaded the file or not. So in rare instances, I do offer refunds if they've actually never downloaded the file, if they couldn't use it. But there's no way for me to track whether you downloaded the file, kept it for yourself, and then asked for a refund. So this is why I have this policy. And then right here under sections are really important. It is what categorizes your listings on Etsy. So if I go to my Etsy shop, for instance, this stuff on the side right here are the sections, right? So, you know, everything is sectioned accordingly. Emotes, sub badges, overlays, panels, and then I'm gonna create a new one though, add section, and I'm gonna name it Stream GIF Tubers. Add that. And then you want to add the relevant tags. Tags are very important. Twitch, streamer. I just added some relevant tags that are related to Twitch and streaming because there's not too honestly there's like nothing there's not too much stuff out there that's like what I just made. So I can't really think of too many specific tags. Price, you're gonna want to give the price that you think is reasonable for the amount of time it took me to make this and all this work, you know? I think $10 for a little animated chibi thing you can use in your stream is a valid amount. And quantity, the highest you can make is 999. They will not let you make it any higher. I just like setting it to 999 so that I don't have to deal with it again and it'll just be there and people can purchase it and it will automatically relist, and once I upload this listing, I do absolutely nothing. And then the most important, under upload file, please add the actual file. So right here we have our frog gaming animation GIF, and then when my face is blocking it, move my head right here. Beneath me is the publish button, so if we just hit that, it will ask you if there's non-refundable like 20 cents per each new listing. I agree to pay it, publish, and then we're good to go. And then if I were to refresh the page, ta-da, here we go. Here is the little animated frog, and this is how the listing looks like. There's the image right here. You have my name, you have my the dimensions, and then if we click this, you can just get a preview as to how this animation looks like. But with my watermark on it, so no one can steal my art. And then we got all the keywords here. It gives you the highlights, and then it gives you more information. And alright, I hope you guys found that video helpful. I hope you guys liked it. So I would appreciate it so much if you guys liked to subscribe and check out my Twitch because I do stream 5 days a week. And if you like that frog, I'm feeling very inspired, so I might go and crank out a couple more of those little animated guys. And they're all on my Etsy, and it should be linked down below. And I hope to see you guys in another video. Peace!